Bang, bang, boom. What is it? Care. Oh, you messing up people. It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. And right now I have J Supreme 007 official music for The Reaction. Don't know what's happening now. When I said them say yo do a reaction to the song. And I started reach out to Instagram. People follow me on Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. Instagram over this everything. They understand me. Yeah. Alright now. I read him on the song and see what go on. The artist say the song bad, then wants the artist say for you react to it, the song means say song bad. And see what go on, man. Yeah.
007.
007. The voice get the girl and pum pum wet up. The voice get the girl and pum pum wet. What he was a fart, you know?
AJ, press play, don't stop. Stepping out the street with my brand new jeans.
Oh no! Man step out with the brand new jeans. That means the whole the girl them said so. He have on a new pants, you know? Him have on a new jeans. He got on a new jeans. I like that guy. Why? She like that guy. Run tune.
Top brands and we touch on the scene. 007, what the fuck do you mean?
Yeah.
Can't fuck with my team and we take with your girl.
Oh no. You're not gonna take up my girl, okay, J Supreme? Big up yourself, do no. If you say a girl is putting in your own and in your new jeans, them. Not over here, so my browning me good. I am good with my browning. My browning, alright. Go on 007, Mr. What go on.
Side talks at the top general.
Yeah.
Poor beast talks at the gal criminal. We not use words and we check where your gal.
Alright. Bad. Okay, run my career so look with and so what go on do. Be aware myself the right way, you know. Go on, Mr. What you say, brother.
General, poor beast talks at the gal criminal. We not use words and we check where your gal. You not hear
words. Say those to me, say fashion is a take about them girl dog. And that you tell we say, and that really tell me right now, so that fashion nigga use and take on my girl. That not gonna work. No, that not working.
You not see me, I go check where your gal. 007, I go check
where your gal.
Linden talks, I go
check where your gal.
We not use words and we check where your gal.
Alright, them girls go walk in the club, I look at them girl very quick. But them there. Yeah.
007, I go.
Yeah, alright. On that day, babes. Alright. Alright. Go back in that song now. Them alright. Them not all that though. Them alright. Run John.
Girl disappear and she can't come back. Just full of fresh Joe and the ear max.
Def.
Yeah, check it time for my Rolex. Watch
Def.
everything.
Class about. Yeah, so. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man. Rolex watch.
In except for my drop top banger. Real dan da da.
Def.
Roll up on your girl and get you up on like a ladder.
Wow, top dada, real dan dada. Run up on your girl and get like ladder. Wow, Jude.
Tasha, go fashion and go lasha. Feel some can't take your girl and we take
Hey, you cannot take my girl. My girl is quite alright. You hear me? I say J Supreme. My girl govern. She love a little black maga man from Jamaica. You understand me? People if you don't like the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for all are new for the most music reactions. You understand me? I say, run tune.
West side talks at the top general. Poor beast talks at the gal criminal.
Yeah.
Now we not use words and we take
where your gal.
You not hear, you not see me, I go.
Of course, but I run out to the club.
And when she not come around, me not waste time. She send up.
You're too bad, but you can't take on my girl. People, listen, I'm going to from the reaction and see me and say, watch your style now. I'm going to start do some promotion then, because since everybody, like, a whole heap of people, dog, I say I'm react to them thing, dog. Right now, $20 promotion. 20 US American dollar, I do the mass Jamaican. $20 promotion. And see me I say, me have PayPal, me have cash up, everything one want, dog. You did it so. Anything on you feel can pay through PayPal or cash up. Or cash up when you shall live, PayPal or cash up. Because, dog, me tell nobody say, I'm not narration to reach 10,000 subscribers, brother, but me can't, I'm not like say no. So I'm going to do the right thing right now. Understand me I say? Big up on yourself. Everything down below in the description. Original video down below in the description. My cash app in the description. My PayPal in the description. Instagram at Tyrekevlogs. My business email in the description if you don't want to talk to me. I don't know the chap already. I'm out.